Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your crypto wallet to Treasure Fun. We'll cover the essential steps to link your digital assets securely. First, we'll ensure your wallet is ready, then walk through the connection process on the platform. Finally, we'll confirm everything is working correctly and offer tips for any issues you might encounter. This guide will help you get started smoothly. Before connecting, make sure your crypto wallet is fully prepared. You'll need a wallet that Treasure Fun supports, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Also, ensure your wallet is funded with any necessary cryptocurrency, like Ethereum or Polygon, for gas fees or initial interactions. Having everything ready beforehand makes the connection process much smoother. Now, let's connect your wallet. Open your web browser and go to the Treasure Fun website. Look for the Connect Wallet button, typically located at the top right of the page, and click it. A pop-up will appear, showing various wallet options. Choose your wallet, for example, MetaMask, and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. After selecting your wallet, a notification will appear in your wallet extension or app asking for approval. Confirm this request to finalize the connection. Once approved, your wallet address should be visible on the Treasure Fun platform, indicating a successful link. If you encounter issues, check your browser extension, ensure you're on the correct network, and try refreshing the page.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.